If you've ever wondered how to access your contacts from Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps so you can find your saved contacts in just a few seconds. This is super useful if you want to check someone's email, update contact details, or simply manage your Google address book more easily. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail page loads, sign in using the Google account that contains the contacts you want to access. After you're signed in, take a look at the right side of the Gmail screen near the top. You'll see your profile picture in the corner, and just a few icons below that, you should find the Google Contacts icon. This icon may be small, so look carefully along the right-hand sidebar. Once you spot it, click on the Google Contacts icon. This will open your Google Contacts page where you can view, search, edit, and manage all of your saved contacts. From here, you can scroll through your list, find a specific person, or make changes if needed. It's a simple process, but knowing where to look saves a lot of time, especially if you use Gmail every day for work, school, or personal email. So just remember the steps. Go to Gmail, sign in, look to the right side near your profile picture, and click the Google Contacts icon. And that's it. You've now learned how to access contacts from Gmail in the easiest way possible. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.